It is another Wednesday, and we are excited, as always, to be back with Lucy from Greer's. Lucy, good to see you.
You too.
Hey, last week, if you missed it, go back and check out the spaghetti squash with air-fried chickens. It was chicken parmesan, basically, made healthy. Looks like you're cooking healthy again today.
Yes, we did that lightened up version of a favorite last week.
Yeah.
And today I thought we would do another lightened up version of something that most people really love, which is fried rice. And I've been eating cauliflower rice for a while now, and I find that the best way to use it is to make fried rice. And it's so simple. This is the absolute perfect recipe for a weeknight meal. And the great thing about stir fry, of course, is it's just a great way to clean out the fridge of any vegetables or any proteins that you have. Today we're going to make a veggie option, but we're going to use egg for our protein. So anyway, I thought we could just get started with a lot of veggies here. So I just have a skillet here, and I'm going to add a few tablespoons of olive oil, and we can get our veggies going. So today I have a red onion. I just have baby carrots in the fridge. I just chop those up. I have a red bell pepper and some fresh broccoli. And of course, you can use whichever combination you like. And I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it with a little bit of soy sauce.
Hit it.
Hit it. So I'm just using the low sodium soy sauce. You can use whatever soy sauce you want. So I have 2 bags of cauliflower rice, and you just get that right in the grocery frozen section, and there's all different brands. They're all great, they're all fine. That's just the brand I have today. And now they even have besides plain, I'm just using plain, but they have, ones with edamame in it. They have stir fry ones. They have other ones with vegetables in it. So, whatever you like, just grab. And the directions on the bag, it tells you how to cook it. So for this recipe, I just pop those in the microwave for 4 minutes. And so it's gotten it a little bit cooked, but we'll finish cooking it here in our skillet.
You know what? That's the same thing I do with the, they have a mashed cauliflower rice too. That's very similar to this. I cook it about halfway in the microwave, but then put in the skillet, and I've used that as like a fake grits for like shrimp and grits and stuff like that.
Oh, that's a great idea. I haven't done it with shrimp and grits, but I have done it with like meatballs.
Yeah.
So kind of like, a base for meatballs and marinara. So there's a lot of great ways. I thought coming into the spring, and all the vegetables look so gorgeous in the produce department, and we're going to add spinach later, so just trying to get more veggies into our diet. And people are starting to think about getting into bathing suits. So great ways to switch it up.
I need to think about that real hard here coming forward. I'm having a little dip in what's going on, but this looks great. I love the colors. I love how this is all going to come to. When do we add the sriracha? I love sriracha.
I do too, and that's what's another great thing. We're going to add it on at the end, and all we have to have is whatever veggies. We're just using soy sauce and sriracha, so it's just a great pantry and great fridge recipe. Not too expensive.
All right, sounds great. We're going to continue to work on this with Lucy from Greer's. Check out Greers.com, and you can find that on the Studio 10 page. Lucy smells great. Thanks a lot.
Do you hear this? It sounds and smells absolutely amazing. Happy Wednesday. We are back with our good friend Lucy making something almost made up of 100% veggies, right?
It is. Yes, you're exactly right. We're making our veggie cauliflower fried rice. And I'm doing it all veggie today, and we're going to add some egg for our protein. But of course, if you are vegan or you do not eat, just don't eat meat, then you could omit that egg, and it would be 100%, approved for a lot of different dietary needs.
This, you guys, smells so good you wouldn't even know it. So we're making this cauliflower fried rice today, and we still got these staple veggies and sauces that you would typically see in a normal fried rice.
Yes, absolutely. We started in our skillet with a little bit of olive oil. We added some fresh broccoli, some carrots, some red onion, and a red bell pepper. And now I just put in a whole bag of spinach because of course it wilts down. And I've added a little bit of soy sauce so far just to help these veggies cook along. and we are you can of course you know, make your own cauliflower rice just by, you know, chopping up your cauliflower. But I just took a step from the frozen food department, so I just grabbed 2 bags of cauliflower rice and I popped it in the microwave for 4 minutes just to get that chill off of it and cook it about halfway. So at this point, I got all the veggies cooked down, and I'm gonna kind of scoop. And the great thing about this is, you know, if you like your vegetables, you know, a little more firm, then of course, you know, do it that way. If you want them super, super soft, you know, cook them a little bit longer. So that's the great thing about cooking at home. You could do it, you know, however you like it. And right now I'm just gonna scoot them over because I'm gonna add our eggs. So I just have 6 eggs in here. Yeah. And I'm just gonna stir them up a little bit, and this is a 1-pan meal, so everything is just going to cook right here. So we're going to scramble these eggs right in the skillet.
Easy. So easy. Lucy and I were just talking. This is something, if you work Monday through Friday or have a pretty strict work schedule, this is something you can cook Sunday night, kind of meal prep, and then take for lunch the week ahead. Just really easy, and it kind of seems like one of those meals that may taste better after it sits for a little while.
Yes, Spiro has been actually taking this for lunch this week, and he has had rave reviews over it. So yeah, it is something that's really great for getting better as the week goes on. So we're just gonna scramble these eggs in here. And I mentioned to y'all last week that you know, everybody, you know, I know has heard me say that we have online shopping, so we can shop for you, but there's really, you know, no risk. We have $10 off the first order, and you know, it's always kind of hard to like try something new. Right. Because you're used to being in your routine if you shop online somewhere else, or, you know, if you like to go into the store. But we have been doing it. We know what we're doing. You know, our folks pick the absolute best product. Everything available in store is available online. So it's so easy. You just download our app. It just says Greer's, and it's free. Or you could go to greers.com/shop, and, you know, once you do your order, when you get to checkout, just type in first order, and it'll take $10 off that first order. So we'd love to make everything easier for you and shop for you, and there's no fee. Right. So it's just the exact same prices as it is in the store, but you just don't have to go through the headache of actually shopping.
Online shopping, especially for groceries, is a lifesaver. If you haven't tried that, try it today, and also receive $10 off. It's a win-win-win. Again, that's all with Greer's. We're going to learn more about that. Finish up this healthy fried rice next with our friend Lucy. Welcome back. We're in the Studio 10 kitchen with Lucy Greer making a rice to cauliflower fried rice. You guys, it smells absolutely delicious. Now, you just had the veggies, a little bit of soy sauce, and egg in the pan, and I would eat that with a spoon.
Exactly. Yeah. This is such a great recipe for cleaning out the fridge, for putting your favorite veggies in here. And we are using, and I'm just pouring in, of course, the rice cauliflower that I just got out of the frozen food department, whatever brand, and put that in the microwave for 4 minutes and then just added it. But you could, of course, do the same recipe, put it over brown rice, add brown rice, add white rice, you know, basmati, whatever rice that you want, or no rice. You know, this would actually be a wonderful just veggie side dish, you know, and maybe you had like some chicken teriyaki or something. So it's definitely something that's versatile and so easy to put together. So I'm just gonna add a little more soy sauce, and then I'm gonna add, you know, however much sriracha you want. I mean, a couple of tablespoons for me, and we kind of like things with a little bit of heat. But it's also what I love about sriracha is it's not just heat, it's flavor. Oh. It's an amazing flavor. So if you haven't tried it before, you know, if you've been scared of it or thought it was too spicy, definitely try it, because it adds just a really great flavor to so many different things.
Yeah,
so,
whether it's tacos or an Asian inspired food, it really is so yummy, and you can control the heat. So again, that's something you can keep in mind. We are stirring this up. Something else that I love about this is a one-pot meal.
It is. I love a one-pot meal. I love to make this on the weeknights because it's so quick and easy, and I've been making riced cauliflower stuff for years, and doing it with veggies because it's just an easy way to clean out out the pantry. And Spiro said one time, he's like, I think I prefer the cauliflower over real rice. I was like, whoa. You know, hold on.
Revolutionary.
You know, this might be, you know, something for the books, but it's just a good alternative, and people are always trying to look for something new, and you know, we kind of get in like the humdrum of making the same thing, but our website has, you know, all our recipes that we always make, and lots of great ideas. So sometimes, you know, it's just nice to have fun at the store and try new things rather than just, you know, what you do on a typical weeknight.
Right, and sometimes it's fun to clean out the fridge and things that you are going to throw away, just throw it in a pan and make a delicious meal out of it. So we'll have the recipe on fox10tv.com under the Studio 10 tab. Lucy, you guys also have the recipe and some tips on online shopping.
Absolutely. So download our free app or find us, Greers.com. Or if you're just ready to online shop, Greers.com/shop will get you to where you need to go.
All right, Lucy, thank you.